Unang yalam ke NPP bat Menteri Sarkar rakam esangma hakesngi baar ulam Maham ba kano kejing Pynkylla hak State Reservation Policy kan lam sya kejing sya bishar beniak bah hakalenti ka ain. Haba iklan berkilat batai kubor rakam ulaong ba kalong ke badan kam ban up ya kijing ai jingmut jong ke expert committee palatung de ke Sarkar halor ke State Reservation Policy. Ulaong ba namar ki kindon ki basyai bah jong kriti sensyar keri badru ke hukum ke ying ka syakri Supreme Court haba ya day bat ke jingbu bah ba 100% ha kano ke jela la snyo ba kano ke jing Pynkylla ya ka SRP kala ban lam sya ke jing sya bishar beniak bah hakmat ka ain. Kumta de ban up ya ki jing ai jing mut ka expert committee. Hendai la JIA kan de ke jing du nong ke bakrau ya ki pai rulum trai jela.
Clear all this doubt, let the expert committee suggest and advise to us what is happening, right? So look, in view of the clear constitutional provision, in view of the clear Honorable Supreme Court judgment about ceiling of 50% ceiling, right, for any state. Look, state, I think that any changes may have a serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of law. So therefore, I think I don't know. Let's wait what the expert committee suggests to us. But if anything happen, it will be great loss for our indigenous people of our state. Suppose the constitutional provision and the Honorable Supreme Court judgment is meant to be applied tomorrow, the ceiling 50% reservation will be great loss for all the indigenous people, are young people of the state. So, but having said so let's wait for our expert. The government has constituted an expert committee to suggest to us, to the state government, and accordingly we can see what the outcome will be. Because like many has been misunderstood, and some political party has misinterpreted and have given assurance. But to me, don't make it. I'm just making it very very serious statement now. Look, this reservation policy was framed, if I'm not wrong, 9 days before the inauguration of the Meghalaya full-fledged. 9 days, 9 or 10 days ahead, then the full-fledged status declared. It's on 12th of January 1972, right? If I'm not wrong. So because of certain challenges, the rise of unemployment, educated unemployment, this is going to be crisis for not only for the state, but across the world now. Across the world, unemployment issues is a crisis is happening across the world, not only for Meghalaya, not only for India, be it America, be it the UK, the European Union, the Chinese, right? All over the world now. So yes, what our president has said is truly correct. But to me, I'm not speaking as a minister today. But to me, any change in the job creation policy may be a very, very serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of the law.